Are you looking to reduce your business cost and increase productivity? Then AI automation is your answer. Intelligent automation typically saves 40% to 75% cost for businesses. At AxcelerateAI, we help businesses harness the growing benefits of AI. We work in a wide variety of AI domains, including computer vision, natural language processing, conversational AIs, recommender engines, and AI-powered digitization. Our workflow begins by defining and refining your AI strategy so we can understand the value that you expect to gain from it. We then build the actual AI solution that can be deployed either on the cloud or on-premise servers. We can also integrate it with your existing workflow, which could be a web or mobile application. Once everything is up and running, we can also continuously monitor the entire system for you to make sure everything runs perfectly. Our AI solutions are tailor-made, affordable, and secure. The rate at which businesses are adopting AI is growing faster. Contact us at hello@accelerate.ai. Start your AI journey today.